In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your Fiverr to your bank account. Let's get to the video. All right, as you guys can see, I am currently on the Fiverr's homepage. As soon as you guys log into your account, what you're going to want to do here, I'm going to take it one step at a time. I'm going to go ahead and click my name, my picture icon actually, and then I'm going to go ahead and click payment, bill and payments. Once I click this, it's going to take me to this page where I can see all the transactions I've done back in the day to now. But I want to go over here to the available balance. So you're going to go ahead and click this. Once you click this, it's going to take you to this page where you can see your earnings. Unfortunately, I don't have any earnings right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click this here, your earnings page. Go ahead and click that. It's going to take you here where you could see a breakdown of everything. Earnings to date, payments being cleared, payments for active order, expenses to date, and available balance for use. So this is where your available funds would be. And if you're trying to withdraw it to your bank account, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to go ahead and click on manage payout method. And then you're going to click this here. And now it's going to ask you to verify by either a text or a phone call. You can click whatever you want to click. And now, as you can see, available balance. Okay. You click on manage your payout method. You're going to click on manage payout. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And then it's going to take you to this page, manage payout methods. As you can see, it's a bank transfer and etc. You could click whatever you want. And now I have PayPal and bank transfer here because I click both of them. The minimum amount you could withdraw is $20, so keep that in mind as you try to withdraw your funds. So yeah, as you can see, it's not allowing me to click any of these options because I don't have any money on my account as yet. But if you do have money, it'll automatically glow, being able for you to press it. And yeah, there you have it. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.